should you record content when you're on holidays? Like I'm in Bali right now on a holiday. Why am I recording content? So if you don't enjoy recording content, then don't do it. Just have a holiday. But the real secret I find is, why don't you enjoy recording content? If you're just seeing it like a chore or a task, what you shouldn't do is just wait until you're in front of your computer at home to record content. You need to look at your mindset. What does recording camera content or videos on camera, what does that mean to you? If it means to you like, I'm gonna feel really bad, I'm gonna cringe, then that's an issue. You need to make it mean something empowering for you. You need to learn to like it. So as an example, for me, it becomes connection. Right now, there's no one here, right now, in this very moment. I'm about to go to a bar and meet my wife and friends, but right now, there is no one here. But I'm still connecting with you right now. So I don't feel like I'm wasting my holiday, so to speak, because there's days and days of this stuff. This is just something else that I do that is enjoyable while I'm on holidays to make the most of the holidays. Just like you take photos while you're on holidays, I do videos while I'm on holidays and I enjoy it. I'm good at it in my mind. I don't think I'm wasting my holiday. I feel that I'm making the most out of it. So in short, if you do not enjoy creating content while you're on holidays, then don't do it. But more so, just imagine if you got to the point where creating content while you're traveling is enjoyable. Creating content while you're at home in your home city is enjoyable. What does that mean? That means now you're going to create more content. You're going to be better at it. And therefore you'll have more clients. You'll impact more people. You'll help more people. You'll grow yourself and grow your business at the exact same time. This is just one mindset hack I find that a lot of coaches need in order to expand their business. If you want to learn my entire system for doing this that I've refined over the last 15 years with Authentic Education, without sounding like I'm bragging, helping thousands of coaches, 21 countries all across the world, I'm putting on a free event called How to Attract Coaching Clients Consistently. Here is where you're going to see me lay out for you the only 7 different marketing methods you should try, how to ask for people's time, so not giving out free discovery sessions, but doing what we would call a strategy session done in a specific way, and also how to present your offer. So you are educating and serving people while you are quote unquote selling, all while enjoying the process. So not doing something where you feel, I really don't want to be selling, that's painful. I really don't want to be creating content, that's painful. I don't want to be speaking to the camera, that's painful. The real trick out of all of this is to enjoy the process, to fall for the process, not the prize, so that you can travel and enjoy creating content and create better content. This is a lot better backdrop than my office or something like that. So if you want to learn more or get your free ticket to this event, all you got to do is put your details down below or click the link near this video. And in case you're wondering why this event is free, just to be 100% transparent, we use a freemium marketing method. Just why is Zoom, Spotify, Gmail free? They give something for free, a high value service for free up front, and they just know a small percentage of people will decide to take them up on the premium version. I do the exact same thing. It's kind of like a try before you buy or try and not buy. Doesn't really matter because I got mathematics or karma on my side. Sooner or later, we've just found that we get rewarded for our good work. That's how it's been over the last 15 years. So if you would like to learn how to attract more clients consistently, if you would like even more than that to enjoy the process of building a successful coaching business, all you got to do is click the link near this video to learn more or get your free ticket. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you at the event.